scored 20 goals in a season from midfield. Darren Ambrose, that was for Crystal Palace in a promotion year. Along with a little flick on, Chambers is there for Ipswich. He spent the second half of last season, Darren Ambrose, on loan in the top flight in Greece.
And we're going to do nice little goodies for our life. A unit.
Millie, show me how you put it on one of the dresses, because I have it on video, so you show me how you do it.
I'm going to have to do this. Lift your arms up. Baby, lift your arms up.
Do it like you do on the other videos. You have to show the camera what you're doing as well.
I'm doing the thing like what's on this video.
Okay. Lola, what are you making?
I'm making two things.
Oh, excellent.
Doing the big and the bar.
And show me Millie's it done.
And the star. Yep.
Show me. Oh, she's dressed in the play though.
Look.
Oh, what? Do you make a cake?
No, it's not a cake. It's pies.
You're a big girl, aren't you, Lola?
Yeah, I know.
Lola, are you a girl?
Let me see her.
Lola. Lola, you a girl?
No.
Who are you?
Where's Sunderland?
Lola Sunderland.
Where's horses? Make a nice one.
Chris, your dinner.
First thing I'm going to do is boom. Boom. You're going to get a nice check.